Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your analytics on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to open up your TikTok application. And after that, you're going to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. Go to your profile first and you can click on these three lines on the top right. And here you need to select the settings and privacy. Okay, in the settings and privacy menu, you can go to analytics. So you can check your analytics on TikTok right here. You will get information about how many views you got, how many profile views, likes, comments, and share as well. Then you can filter it for the past 7 days, 28 days, or 60 days, or 1 year. And you can get the detailed information right here about your content, viewers, and followers as well. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check your TikTok analytics. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.